हेलो फ्रेंड, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी? आए हो आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। मैं अंकित सिंह स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल KCL ट्यूटोरियल में। आज क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी में लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम में पार्ट 2 में 30 क्वेश्चन को। ओके, तो करना आपको एक वीडियो को पॉज करना है, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है, कमेंट करके वीडियो के लास्ट में अपना आंसर बताना है। ओके, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट, and the right answer is A. Next question, which of the following applies to the thoracic duct? And the right answer is B. Next question, lymphatic capillaries resemble blood capillaries because lymphatic capillaries. And the right answer is C. Next question, the fluid that passes through the lymphatic vessels. And the right answer is D. Next question, the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes are the major cells of the. And the right answer is A. Next question, all the following are important function of the lymph nodes except. And the right answer is D. Next question, lymph nodes may be located in the human body in the tissues of the. And the right answer is B. Next question, the nodes of lymphoid tissue found in the wall of the intestinal tract are known as. And the right answer is D. Next question, in the human body the thymus is located. And the right answer is C. Next question, the movement of fluid through the lymphatic vessels is assisted by. And the right answer is B. Next question, the thymus is largest and most visible. And the right answer is D. Next question, all the following functions are associated with the spleen except. And the right answer is D. Next question. Which of the following describes the location of the spleen is in human body? In the human body. And the right answer is D. Next question. Which of the following is not likely to be found in the lymph? And the right answer is A. Next question. Those lymphatic vessels that are rich in fat. And the right answer is B. Next question. All the cells of the immune system arise from. And the right answer is B. Next question. T lymphocytes are so named because they are produced primarily in the. And the right answer is D. Next question. The immune system in humans becomes fully functional. And the right answer is C. Next question. All of the following characteristics apply to antigens except. And the right answer is C. Next question. The cells that set the immune process into motion are phagocytic cells known as. And the right answer is B. Next question. The activity of T lymphocyte bring about. And the right answer is C. Next question. The lymphokines secreted by cytotoxic T lymphocytes increase the activity of. And the right answer is C. Next question. Once they have react with antigen molecules, the B lymphocytes of the immune system. And the right answer is D. Next question. Which of the following is true of antibody molecules? and the right answer is B. Next question. Antibody molecules neutralize invalidating microorganism by all of the following method except. And the right answer is D. Next question. Afferent lymph vessel are numerous are and different lymph vessels is. And the right answer is A. Next question. The branches of lymph capillaries inside the villi, the intestine, are termed as. And the right answer is D. Next question. Lymph capillaries join together forming larger lymph vessel which give rise to. And the right answer is C. Next question. Lymph nodes are found in which part? And the right answer is D. Next question. Spleen, thymus, tonsils and adenoids produce. And the right answer is D. ये फ्रेंड्स सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर। और ये मिस खुशबू सोनी जिन्होंने हमें ये पीपीटी भेजा है। अगर आप भी हमें पीपीटी भेजना चाहते हैं तो अनुराग सर से व्हाट्सएप पे चैट कर सकते हैं, इन्हें सोशल मीडिया फॉलो कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।